Hi, Code Ninjas students, parents, and staff. My name is Ben Wheeler. I work on the team at Scratch at the MIT Media Lab. I wanted to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about Scratch and how it connects to the work that you're doing. We created Scratch at the Media Lab because we looked out at the tools that students had available for exploring computer science, and we didn't think that they made it easy enough to have a quick, creative first experience that then you can develop on to make more and more complicated creative work in computer science. We wanted there to be a way that had a low floor, meaning anybody could start making a program really quickly and have a creative experience. We also wanted there to be wide walls for the experience so that there's a large breadth of things that you can do. You can focus on sound, you can focus on art, you can focus on complexity of multiple sprites doing things together. You could make animations, you could make games, you could make personal expressions, all sorts of things. And we also wanted there to be a high ceiling where there's a high level of complexity of Scratch projects that you can build if you keep working at it and you keep learning more. So we wanted all those things to be available in a way that focused on what students want to create and on students' creativity and playfulness and tinkering. All of these things that we found ourselves were part of why we fell in love with computer science. I'm a full stack developer at Scratch, so I work on coding Scratch and creating the code that makes it run, but all of us at Scratch are also people who work on designing Scratch as a product. We want to design Scratch so that the interface makes a lot of sense to students, so that we're not introducing too many confusing options, but also that we're letting it be powerful so that as students learn more, they naturally can find more of Scratch's capabilities. So we want that experience to really fit as many students as possible. And parents, if you've never used Scratch, I really encourage you to give it a try. Lots of parents have been introduced to Scratch by their kids and have really found that they love it for their own creative work. So I hope that whatever technologies you're using, whether Scratch or all kinds of other software, hardware, and robotics and circuitry, and also creating things on your own, creating board games and games on paper and word games, wherever you feel drawn to create things and share them with other people. I hope that you have that kind of experience knowing that you're part of a huge global community of people who love doing that kind of work and love to see each other's work and encourage each other. Thank you so much for participating in it.